बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। हेलो, हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. So viewers, and this is all about ideas signing in, and I am going to share with you our most stunning and very beautiful crochet ideas for you guys. These are very amazing and very unique and very beautiful crochet pattern ideas for you guys. These are super amazing and very amazing and very latest and super classy crochet ideas for you guys. So viewers, if you all are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. These are super incredible and very amazing ideas for you guys. These are very pretty and very amazing crochet ideas for you guys. So viewers, I am glad to see you all guys. You guys make these crochet pattern at home, and these are super incredible and very unique and very stunning ideas for you guys. These are top trending, top unique and very amazing and very latest handmade ideas for you guys. You guys easily make these crochet patterns at homes. These are basically crochet laces, and these are very unique and very stunning ideas for you guys. So guys, thank you for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. These are very stunning, these are very unique and very classy ideas for you guys. If you want different other craft videos, then leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload more videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are very stunning and these are very unique ideas for you guys. Always think